Hello guys, back to my channel VGH46 and welcome back to another brand new video after a very long time. I know that I have had a long gap by not uploading all the long videos and stuff except for the YouTube shorts. Please forgive me for that because you guys know that now the college and all have started for me and obviously I must focus on that. And you would have already got to know by the thumbnail what I'm going to do in this video. So today I'm going to be unboxing a Lenovo webcam, which is a full HD 1080p webcam, and without further delay let me unbox it for you. I don't think this video would have come if it was not for the college. Actually for this PC I already had a webcam. It was an integrated webcam called with the company named LabCare. But whenever I used to plug in the webcam, it was not even getting detected. So that was the reason I bought this new cam. Well, I purchased this in Amazon for 2,755 rupees. Wait, is the camera recording? I just checked it. Oh yeah, thank God. You know what would have happened if it was not recording. So well, here's the box, you can just see it. Well, let me see what's behind the box. It says Lenovo 300 FHD webcam and grey color. Obviously it's made in China. And well, that's it. Actually the MRP of this webcam is 5,319 rupees. But actually, to be honest, before all the lockdown and stuff last year, this webcam and all only costed 1,500 rupees. I just checked in some other YouTube videos and all. It costed only 1,500 rupees on Amazon. But because of lockdown and all these online classes and stuff, now the webcams are in a lot of demand, and so it has become so much costly now. And even many other companies like Logitech and all, all the good cameras and all now are about 2K itself. So I thought even this also has a dual stereo mic, so I thought even it will be useful for my other YouTube videos reaction videos and all if I do in the future. So I purchased off once at all. That's why. Now let me just cut open the seal and show what's inside the box. It's a pretty good seal over here. I love this box actually, it's of very good quality. Yes. Okay, so as soon as you open, you get this webcam. It's actually pretty big, guys. It's not like the other normal webcams if you think. This is pretty big size. Others and all will come a little bit small and very light. This is actually heavy also, and it is also pretty big. And let's just keep this aside and check what other things are inside the box. Let's remove this, and I think you get the user manual. Yeah, all the paperwork not necessary now. Let's just keep this aside and remove the cam. Yeah, so the length of the cable is 1.5 meter, which is very sufficient. Okay, well, here's the cam. This is beautiful, guys. It actually looks so gorgeous. I mean, the finish and all is really good. By the way, this is a cap to just close it and open the lens. If you want, actually you can remove it also. I'll show it to you later in that video. There's a small film upon this because there's a glass, that's why you don't want to harm that and not scratch it. Okay, and here you also get a tripod mount here, and you can just put it on the tripod and rotate it. Oh yeah, this is so good. This is a quite very nice quality rubber over here so that your monitor won't get scratched. Here you can see the branding Lenovo, which is carved neatly. and these are the ports where there are two dual stereo mics. I hope the quality will come very good. As you guys can see, the cable is very long. It's pretty good. Well, now let us do the honor for this new beautiful masterpiece.
I feel like everything's so different now. Sitting by the fire as we'd watch the flames burn out. I miss the days I wasn't afraid. Now I always have my guard up, hands on my face. I learned to cope with the pain. I know that people think I'm trying to get attention, but in reality I'm trying to send a message. I know there's kids out there that are going through the same thing, and if you're one of them, I hope to help your suffering. Just know it will get better, and these feelings do not stay the same. No, they don't stay the same. I don't wanna make you feel bad, but you kinda ruined my life. You hurt me and ruined my life, and I don't wanna make you feel bad, but you kinda ruined my life. You hurt me and ruined my life.
Well guys, if you can see now, actually there's a white light glowing over there. I fixed the camera upon my monitor and just plugged it in to a USB 3.0 port. Well, the white light indicates that the camera is connected to the PC or laptop, anywhere you connect. Well, you guys can see the clarity of the camera. I'm sure it is pretty good, not like other cameras for sure. And actually the older camera which I had also was very good. It was also HD, but what will you do when it doesn't even get detected? So this is how the camera clarity is when you are seeing from another camera. Now let me switch to what screen recording now. Hello guys, so this is how the video looks for you from the webcam itself, and the clarity is actually very good. Now to be honest, I'm shooting this video at 5:30 p.m. now, so that's why even the sunlight is not there much, and even in front of me there is no light source or anything. It is just the RGB which I have put. Now let me just turn it off. See, I just turned off the RGB. Now also the clarity is really good compared to all the other cameras, and even you cannot see any frame drops also here. See, it just continuously records everything without even a glitch. And the audio also which you are hearing is from the webcam itself. It also has like dual stereo mics which are really good. I hope the audio is coming good to you, and that is it. Wait, now let me just close all the curtains and show it to you how it will look in night time without no light. Well, this is how it looks in night, guys. There is no night vision type of things and all in this webcam. Let me just turn on my RGB now. Yeah, I hope you guys can see me now, and let me just turn on some flashlight. Let me just move the phone around my face so that just to see how the autofocus works. See, are you guys seeing that autofocus? It doesn't even glitch also. It just completely comes stabilized. So well, it is good. And if you just put a ring light behind you, then probably this will be the best cam ever for anything, and I am sure you all would like this cam if you buy it. Well, I am sure this is the best webcam, and I also turned one more light bulb just which is above my head, and you guys can see so much clarity in here and a lot of differences. And if you just put a ring light in front of you, this will be the best cam ever. And even the audio, all these are recorded from this camera itself. I hope you all liked it. Well, and guys, this is just a proof to show you that I'm just recording from a normal camera app which comes inbuilt with the Windows PCs. So I hope you all like the video and like the camera. Obviously this is the best cam, guys. Trust me when I say it's best, it is really the best. as far as I have seen any other cameras in this budget with the dual stereo mics. I'm sure no other camera would give dual stereo mics with the autofocus. And one more feature I just missed out, it also has a 4x digital zoom, and it also rotates. If you guys are seeing it, it rotates like 360-degree, which is pretty cool. And now let me just take the camera out and show you all the other things, how it looks. Look at the RGB, it looks pretty neat, guys, not so bad for a 2.7 megapixel camera. And here's my tripod, and well, that's it, guys. Now let me switch to my main camera. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please do like and share. If you did not like, also no problem. Please go to the comment section and tell me in what ways I can improvise my video, because still I am doing all the efforts. I know that I already told you in the starting of the video that I have taken a long break because of college, but please do not lose your hopes on me. I'm sure I'll bring up a lot of good content. Don't worry about that. Please keep supporting me like this, and please subscribe to my channel. It's VGS signing off. Bye bye.